3 days in a row of severe weather. Today is going to be a fourth for Colorado. Hey, Storm Shielders, I'm meteorologist Jason Myers. Yesterday saw another round of severe weather in the Central Plains, the North Central Plains from Montana all the way over to Colorado, and because of that, even one tornado. A lot of hail, mostly hail really from Montana into the Dakotas down into eastern Colorado. A few wind reports here and there, mostly scattered, and the two tornado reports, one was in northeast Wyoming and the other was in southern Wisconsin. That's where we're actually looking at just a couple of very small tornadoes is all we were looking at. And today's risk still includes eastern Colorado. I am really sorry for everybody in Colorado. You have been getting hammered every day this week. The upside, it looks like things are finally going to start to shift to the east. So unfortunately for everybody in the Dakotas, Nebraska, Minnesota, Iowa, you're in the crosshairs next. But Colorado, this looks like it may be maybe not the last day, but the second to last day for you guys seeing severe weather. There's the slight risk area shaded in yellow. Hail, a little bit of a bullseye in Montana, the Dakotas, and northeast Wyoming right there. And that's where we're going to see the potential for some large hail later this afternoon and this evening. Strong winds, again, there's that bullseye, but you'll notice part of Colorado on the fringe of that. So I think a lot of the activity is actually shifting north today. But there's still that small chance in Colorado that you're going to still see some severe weather this afternoon, this evening. Tornado risk fairly small, just a 2% risk area in the Dakotas, eastern Montana, northeast Wyoming. But overall, that general risk still covering the northern plains. This is why I think everything's going to shift to the east. Here's why. This is what we're looking at today. We'll take a look at when those storms are going to be popping up. It looks like 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll start to see a lot of things firing up in eastern Montana and eastern Wyoming. And right there you have it. This is, that looks like it's about, well, that'd be 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We start to see those storms firing and really working their way to the east. A few storms you'll notice popping up in northeast Colorado right there. Everything going to be moving to the east this afternoon and this evening. And we switched forecast models, take a little longer look out, and I'll show you what I mean. The general flow of things has been fairly zonal all week long. That is, everything's been moving close to west to east. We don't see a lot of these ups and downs in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Well, we're starting to get a little kink along the west coast, and that's what's going to drive a lot of the severe weather today. We're going to see that firing up. But watch as we head into the weekend here. We start to see that kink in the jet stream. We call that a trough. That actually starts to work its way a little farther to the east, and we'll see that development moving into Minnesota and Iowa by Saturday and Sunday. So the severe weather is going to slowly shift to the east here. It has been stuck just on the eastern side of Colorado for the past, well, the entire week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But it looks like everything will start to shift here come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for us. So it looks like things are improving, but still some severe weather in the forecast this afternoon. Be safe. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. We'd really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.